Hey everyone, what's up? This is Sid J. How have you been? Probably stuck in your smartphone, right? And you thought they were really safe, your routers are safe, everything is safe, it's really good. Actually, they are, but how and why? Wanna learn? You think? Let's see how safe or how exactly well protected our routers are. So, why don't we take a look? So did you ever think that ABCD was a good password? Think again. So if you want to learn what a good password is and the fun with Kali Linux, why you should be here, why you should learn Kali Linux, come over and let's have some fun. Everything doesn't have to be so serious, and as the saying goes, why so serious? So let's come over and join the fun with Kali Linux 2022 rolling distribution, while we discuss all the aspects of these and many other tools we're going to cover. See you then.